What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from Self-Made Profits, and if you're looking for a way to earn extra income from home, look no further. You've come to the right place. Today I'll be going over a few websites that will allow you to get paid working from home. The process is pretty simple. You'll just be testing websites, okay? So I'll be going over all the details for you. Before I do that, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you can always be notified when I drop new content just like this, just to help you make money from home, okay? The first site is called Enroll, and in order to find the Enroll website, you just go to Google, you'll put in Enroll app, and then that should bring up the website. On the website here, it just basically lays it out for you. With this company, you're just gonna be going on their websites, and you're gonna just basically look into what their website has to offer, okay? So you're getting paid basically for your feedback. All right, so what happens is that once you sign up with a company, they're going to go ahead and send you a software that you can put on your computer or your tablet or iPhone. And once you download the software, it's going to be able to monitor your usage on their website. Okay, so you'll go on the website, you'll basically inform them of their layout of the website, if there's anything wrong with it, that kind of stuff, and then you'll get paid for just testing that website. Okay, you get to do it anywhere, so that provides you a lot of flexibility. And once you've done testing the websites, you'll earn rewards, which you can turn into PayPal money. All right, so that's how you get paid. Okay, so basically that's what they're looking for, just people that to come in, go on their website, take a look at it, make sure everything's correct, and just basically test out the website. All right, the second company here is called Startup Lift. Okay, so you can do the same for this one. Go on Google, search up Startup Lift, and you'll be able to find this company here. Once you get on the website, you'll go straight to the bottom, click Get Paid to Provide. And once you've clicked that, it's going to bring up this page here. This is where you're going to basically be able to start. You'll get some more information on how you get paid. All right, so once you visit the website, you complete the assigned task, share your thoughts, and provide responses. After that, you get paid for each time you do that. You get paid through your PayPal account. Okay. So these are more of FAQs. You can come here and just read them, get a better understanding of what this company provides here for you, and see if it's a right fit for you. Okay. Startup Lift is just pretty one of those good ones here. So you can definitely come in and take a look at it. All right. So the next company I have here is called User Testing. All right. So with User Testing, you basically get paid to test websites, just like the other two here. So once you're ready to get started, you just click here where it says Get Paid to Test. There's going to be some more information here. It's just basically, that you can earn $10 per test. All right, so you visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid $10. All right, so it usually takes somewhere from 20 minutes for you to complete each test. So if you was to do it within the hour, that'll be 60 minutes, and you'll get paid $30 just for that 60 minutes. So that's $30 per hour doing this from home, basically. Okay, so it's a pretty good gig, guys. Pays pretty good. Also, if you want to, you can come here and just basically look at all the reviews from the New York Times, the Huffington Post, the Wall Street Journal. You can take up the reviews and take a look at them and see if that's a right fit for you. Also, right here it just basically tells you what you need to get started. You need a PC or Mac, internet connection, microphone. You'll need an iPhone, iPad, Android, tablet. As long as you have access to any of these, you can start working with this company. You have the ability to download testing software. You must be at least 18 years old, and ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. All right. All right. So this is basically tell you how you get paid. You get paid by way of PayPal. All right. So once you're done with the test, they'll send over the money to your PayPal, and that's how you get paid, guys. All right. So this is a pretty good company. They've been around for a while now. So you can definitely take a look into it. Go on Google, put in User Testing, and it should bring up the website. Click Get Paid to Test. Once you're ready to get started, you can click Sign Me Up. You have to put in your email address. Click here, and you'll be ready to get started with this company. All right. So if you guys like these three companies, Enroll app, Startup Lift, user testing. Go ahead and give them a try. Okay, and if you like the video, guys, make sure you like it and comment below if you have any questions. I will definitely be around to answer. And with that being said, guys, become self-made today and stay blessed.